time to speak with your tax preparer soon so you can prevent farm tax bill surprises this year. Hi, I'm Mary Sobba, Agricultural Business Field Specialist with this University of Missouri Extension Farm Management Minute. Before you meet your farm tax preparer, update your farm financial records. Keeping good records can help your preparer more accurately estimate your tax bill. You can use that tax estimate to study all available options before you proceed with any end-of-the-year transactions to manage farm expenses. To learn more about timely tax-related issues, join us at one of our evening farm tax planning workshops on December 1st or 2nd, offered in person and online. The workshops will discuss tax topics pertaining to farmers and ranchers so you can make better informed tax decisions. To register for MU Extension's farm tax workshops, go to extension.missouri.edu, search Farm Management Minute, and look for related resources.